And news just coming in, the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has now arrived in Ahmedabad to inaugurate the Aam Aadmi Party office as the party prepares to create an impact in the upcoming state assembly polls in Gujarat. Now the party is set to announce the chief ministerial candidate in the coming days. Priyanka is joining me live. Okay, we're going to go to Priyanka in just a bit, but the Aam Aadmi Party, of course, is looking at establishing a full-fledged office in Ahmedabad. This is critical because it comes as the Aam Aadmi Party hopes to enter the fray in Gujarat. What we also know is that Arvind Kejriwal, just to tell our viewers actually, this is the second visit essentially of Arvind Kejriwal that we've seen in the state in the past few months. So it does, in a sense, give you a bit of an idea about how important Gujarat has now become for the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's go across live to Priyanka, who joins me. Good morning, Priyanka. Priyanka, Arvind Kejriwal over there inaugurating a full-fledged office of the Aam Aadmi Party. You know, the Aam Aadmi Party, of course, did do very, very well in the Panchayat elections in Surat. And that is something, of course, that has been like a shot in the arm for them.
Well, absolutely. The last municipal elections itself had been a very telling tale for Surat, specifically for the Aam Aadmi Party, because they had gained several seats in the Surat Municipality Corporation as well. But apart from that, now today we see Arvind Kejriwal coming and inaugurating a full-fledged office of the Aam Aadmi Party here in Ahmedabad, which also is like, it goes to show that they are here. They have already decided that they will be contesting in the 2022 elections of Gujarat. And let us remind our viewers that historically speaking, Gujarat has always had only the binary politics of either BJP or the Congress. But this is the first time that the Aam Aadmi Party had also tried to contest in the local elections, not just the local elections, but also is trying to now contest in the Vidhan Sabha elections, the assembly elections, where they're trying to create a third front in the state of Gujarat, which several political leaders had been earlier as well trying to push for. But this will be the first time that we will see another party, a third party in the state of Gujarat, making its space for itself in the assembly elections. And today is what we're expecting, that Arvind Kejriwal will be also announcing the chief ministerial phase for the Aam Aadmi Party here in the state of Gujarat as well, and several other renowned faces here in the political diaspora here, at least in Gujarat, are going to be joining the Aam Aadmi Party, is what we've been given to understand, as and when Arvind Kejriwal will inaugurate the office and then, of course, address a press conference as well and talk about his plans for the state of Gujarat and what the vision for Aam Aadmi Party will be for the 2022 elections. And this is obviously going to be a major drawback for both the Congress and the BJP, because they have been the only two parties historically in the state of Gujarat, and now Aam Aadmi Party coming into the forefront, coming into the assembly elections, now also going to cut into the votes of the Congress and the BJP both as well.
Right.
It's the same thing that we had seen happening in the Surat elections as well. So what we'll have to wait and understand as to who,
as you're pointing out, Priyanka, the Aam Aadmi Party hoping to make an impact in the next assembly elections in Gujarat. Thank you for the moment for joining us, Priyanka.